In this video, we are going to see how we can get this pivot table editor options back so that you can easily work on pivot table after you have accidentally closed that. So let's say that you are working on pivot table and suddenly you just want to clear this to see the main sheet. You closed it from here. And now you are confused, how do we get the options back? Because if we double click on it, it just inserts the new sheet. So what you have to do is very simple. Just click on this little pencil icon, click on edit, and you get this option back. It's that simple, but let's make it even complex. Let's suppose that we have closed it from here and we have disappeared this as well. Hide controls before, and we hide this control. Now, how do we get this back? First of all, what we need to do is just right click here, anywhere between the report, whatever you have created, and click on show edit controls. Once you get this pencil icon, just click on edit and you get the pivot table editor back. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.